Fabrics from Yemen came to the commander of the faithful, Omar bin Al-Khattab. May God be pleased with him. He gave each Muslim man a piece sufficient for one garment. Then he took his share and the share of his son Abdullah, sewed it, and dressed it. When Omar ascended the pulpit to address the people and said, "O people, listen and obey," a Muslim man rose to him and said, "Neither listen nor obey." So Omar said, "Why is that?" He said, "Because you took control of us." Omar said, "With what?" The man said, "You gave each of us a piece of cloth, enough for one dress. You are a tall man, and this piece is not enough for a dress. We see that you have sewed a complete shirt, so you must have taken more than you gave us." Then the commander of the faithful turned to his son Abdullah and said, "O Abdullah, answer him about his words." Abdullah said, "I gave him some of my clothing to complete his shirt." The man said, "As for now, it is listening and obedience."